Understanding, Avoiding the Thunder, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a unique phrase that might have you picturing stormy weather, but in reality, it has a completely different meaning. We're talking about avoiding the thunder. Stay with us to uncover the layers behind this intriguing expression and learn how to use it in your daily conversations. At first glance, avoiding the thunder might conjure images of someone literally dodging thunderstorms. However, in the English language, this phrase metaphorically signifies avoiding trouble or staying away from situations that could lead to confrontation or conflict. It's about being cautious and steering clear of potential problems that could have negative repercussions. While avoiding the thunder is not a commonly used idiom, its essence is found in the natural human instinct to avoid danger. The idea of thunder representing trouble or a threatening situation is a metaphor that appeals to our intuitive understanding of thunderstorms as powerful and sometimes destructive forces. This section delves into how such phrases develop and why they resonate with people, using vivid imagery to communicate complex ideas simply and memorably. Incorporating avoiding the thunder into your everyday language can add a layer of sophistication to your conversations. Here, we'll provide examples of how to use this phrase in sentences. When I saw the argument escalating at the meeting, I decided it was best to avoid the thunder and left the room. She's been avoiding the thunder by staying away from office politics. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe actions taken to prevent getting involved in difficult situations. Understanding, avoiding the thunder, opens the door to learning other similar expressions in English. Phrases like steering clear, keeping out of harm's way, and sidestepping trouble all carry similar meanings. This section expands your vocabulary by introducing these phrases and demonstrating how they can be used interchangeably with avoiding the thunder to enrich your language skills. We hope this exploration of avoiding the thunder has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your understanding of English idioms. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in uncovering the stories and meanings behind phrases like these. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our future videos. Stay curious, and keep learning.